Have you ever noticed that most rulers don't actually begin at the edge? There's usually a small empty strip before the zero mark, a tiny section of unused plastic, wood, or metal that seems completely pointless. After all, if a ruler is made for measuring, why waste space before the measurement even starts? It turns out that little gap is one of the smartest parts of the entire design. Today, we're uncovering the secret behind the space before zero. At first glance, a ruler seems simple, but think about what happens to one over its lifetime. It gets tossed into bags, dropped on classroom floors, jammed into drawers, scraped against sharp objects, and slammed against desk edges over and over again. The edges suffer the most damage. Corners chip away, plastic bends, wood splinters, metal dents. Now imagine if the very first measurement line, the zero, sat directly on that fragile edge. Even the tiniest bit of damage would ruin every future measurement. A worn corner could throw off the entire scale without anyone noticing. That empty section acts like a protective buffer. By placing the zero slightly inward, designers protect the measuring system from everyday abuse. Even if the edge gets damaged, the ruler can still stay accurate. But durability is only part of the story. The second reason comes from manufacturing. Rulers are often printed in massive sheets before being cut into individual pieces. In high-speed factories, cutting perfectly along the exact start of the scale is surprisingly difficult. A machine that cuts even slightly off could slice through the zero mark itself. So manufacturers leave extra material at the beginning. That blank area gives cutting machines room for tiny mistakes. Instead of damaging the printed scale, the blade only trims harmless empty space. It's a simple solution that makes mass production faster, cheaper, and more reliable. And there's one more reason most people never think about: learning. When children first use rulers, many instinctively place the object against the physical edge instead of the zero line. The gap helps separate the idea of the ruler's edge from the actual starting point of measurement. Without saying a single word, the design teaches users where measuring truly begins. It's a silent guide built directly into the tool itself. What looks like nothing is actually solving multiple problems at once, protecting accuracy, simplifying manufacturing, and teaching proper use. So next time you pick up a ruler, pay attention to that little empty space before zero, because sometimes the most intelligent part of a design is the part that appears to do absolutely nothing.